Operators in PHP. Before that, we will try to understand what is the character set of PHP. It means what characters on the keyboard we will use to write the program or code or script of PHP. We will use alphabets. We can use any number combination from 0 to 9 digits. We can have different symbols. So if I form any random word and if it is not making any sense, so that will not be a particular template word in the code of PHP. So any word formed from above character set but having meaning is known as a token. What are the types of token? Basically, there are five types. First, keywords. Keywords are nothing but the reserved words of language and that cannot be used as a variable name, function name, etc. Like int, break, for, while, double, echo, print, etc. Identifiers. Identifiers are nothing but the name given to variable, function, or class. For example, when in program I declare variable int a semicolon, here int will be keyword and a is known as a identifier because it is a name of variable. Third type of token is operators. Operators are the symbol but that perform a particular task. For example, plus is a operator that perform the task of addition. Likewise, constants. Constants are the variables whose value do not change throughout the program. In PHP, we have seen the constants are defined using define function. Last type of token is special symbol. There are few symbols that we use in the programming languages, like semicolon is used for terminating the statement, then square brackets are used for array, etc. Now, starting with the operators. Operators are the symbol that are written to accomplish a particular task. Now, what are the categories of operators in PHP? Arithmetic, assignment, comparison, which are also known as a relational operators, increment, decrement, logical operator. Two additional categories are over here, string and array operators. And last one is conditional operator. Now we will start how to code these operators for performing our purpose. Starting with the arithmetic operators. Basically, arithmetic operators are used for basic arithmetic expression. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction. One additional arithmetic operator in PHP is double asterisk symbol, which is exponential, which will give x raised to y power when we will write that code. Let's try to understand the code of this exponential. We will write one program which is like this is the start tag of PHP. If I am declaring one variable where I am reading the value of this x from the user, and we will again read one more number to calculate the power of that number. So if I do here the name change, and if I write over here echo answer is equal to, and I am calculating dollar x double asterisk dollar y. Let's see what answer we will get. This is the end tag of PHP. Enter number. If I am giving 10 and second number is 3, it is giving 10 as 10 into 3. Why this has happened? Because we have written this expression in double quotes. So we have to write that after double quotes. So if I am taking that line onto the another one, let's see what is the answer. Now answer is 1000. So it has calculated 10 raised to 3. 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 that is 1000. So this is exponential operator in PHP. Moving forward, second category is assignment operator. Assign, it means it will assign the value from right hand side to the left hand side part. Assignment operators are basic assignment operator is equal to, but Considering the basic arithmetic operators, we can add the equal to symbol after that for using it as a shorthand operator. Whenever I want to write x is equal to x plus y, I can write it by x plus equal to y. That is a shorthand operator. Let's see the simple code of it. If I have taken one number x and I'm performing calculation, $x is equal to $x plus 5. What does it mean? It means कि whatever is the value of x, add 5 into it and store the answer in x itself. By simply by simply putting this one line, we can simply write, we can remove the common $x and we can have this $x plus equal to 5. It means whatever is the value of x, 5 will be added into it and your answer will be saved into x again. Enter a number, suppose it's 4. So answer is 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and again 9 is saved into the x variable. Next one, comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare the values, that may be a number or string, variable, operands, actual values, etc. We know the basic operators. Double equal to, it is used for checking the equality. It means whether value of x is matching with the value of y. Not equal to, exclamatory mark and equal to, it means the value of x is not matching with the y. There is an alternate way of writing this. This not equal to can be written as less than and greater than symbol with no space, then greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Now additional operators in PHP are triple equal to, and its name is identical operator. When I write $x triple equal to $y, it means it will check the value as well as the data type of these two variable. It will return true if x is equal to y and their data type is same. Otherwise, it will return false. And not equal to will give the answer for the same. One more additional operator is spaceship, less than, equal to, greater than. This is an interesting operator in PHP. We will see how to use that. First of all, we will try to understand the another comparison operator. Double equal to is used for checking the comparison. We will write one program. If I am taking two numbers from user and we want to check whether they are equal or not, obviously we will use the comparison operator. $x is equal to y, that is equality operator. If first number is 2, second number is 5, it's printing nothing because this is a boolean expression. Now whenever we want to print a value like that, we can use var underscore dump function, which will give us answer along with its data type. Let's see. First number is 2, second number is 5. The answer is Boolean false. It means the output of this expression, that is x is not equal to y, that's why answer is false, and the data type of this answer is Boolean. So we can use var underscore dump function too. Now we will understand this spaceship operator. Now this spaceship operator is interesting one. Sometimes we need to check the variables for whether it is less than or whether it is equal to or whether it is greater than the another operator. So we used to write three if conditions. Now this can be sorted out by just writing one line. For example, if I have taken two numbers and we can write $x less than, equal to, greater than, means the spaceship operator. Let's see what it gives us. First number is 3, second number is 6, it has given -1. Why so? The spaceship operator, it is a combination of three operator: less than, equal to, greater than. When the first value is less than, it will return minus 1. When x is equal to y, it will return 0. When x is greater than y, it will return 1. So in this case, now the value of x is less than the value of y. That's why it has written as minus 1. So this is the use of spaceship operator in PHP. Increment and decrement operator. Plus plus is increment operator which increment the value of variable by default by 1. And minus minus is the decrement operator which decrements the value of variable by 1. Now there are variations of writing this. We can have the pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement. How it matters? We will try to understand this one by writing a code. Now suppose we have $x is equal to 5, and if I am printing, if I am doing the pre-increment on $x, and now I am displaying $x, what output will be there? See, x is initialized as a 5, it is incremented first and then $x is sent to the echo. Let's see, it will be 6. It means first increment operation is performed on $x, that is 6, and then $x is printed. Now we will see the post increment. If I am sending $x first and then I am incrementing value and then I am writing echo statement, what will be the output? It will be 6 again. Now let's see, if I am changing some values over here and executing code, it means $x is equal to 4 and the value is incremented by 1 and answer is x. Actually, in practical sense, it is not it is not making any variations while we run the code. Okay, but see this code. When x is equal to 10 and when we directly print into the echo, now whatever code I had written that were on the separate lines. Now if I make change over here, if I am using echo and the expression statement on the same line, what will happen? Echo $x with pre-increment. See, what has happened? $x is equal to 4, echo and increment is done. If I do changes over here in the echo line itself, I am echoing the $x and then I am post incrementing the value of 4. What will be the change? The value is 4. So it depends how you are writing the statement. If the pre, post, increment, decrement are separate lines from the echo lines, then that will not make any different changes. But when the echo and expression lines are combined, because you are printing the value first, earlier or later after the operator, that will matter. Now next, moving forward, logical operators. Logical operators are important operators that are used to combine many conditions. For any condition, the possible output is either true or false. If I want to check a condition, the output will be either true or false. But I want the calculation like there are multiple condition and I have to take one decision from their output. We will see one example. Logical operators are AND or XOR. And there are alternative ways of writing these three operators only. We can use alphabets for AND or XOR, or we can have the operator with double ampersand, pipe symbol, and exclamatory mark. Let's see. The application which I want to perform is, if I want to develop a project which will help me to check whether the person. Now we will see how to use logical AND operator. There are many applications where we want to check result of two or more condition and conclude for the one result. For example, my application is I want to write a code for a voting system. If age is greater than 18 and if person is having Aadhaar card, then only that person is allowed. Otherwise, we are sorry for him. Okay, so how we can write code? Dollar age is equal to read line enter age. Dollar Aadhaar read line. I am asking whether Aadhaar card is available, yes or no. I am checking for both condition. If whether age is equal to 18 and Aadhaar is equal to yes. My project is to allow the person only if both conditions are satisfied. So for that I will use AND operator, because logical AND will return true only if the result of both condition is true. So it will display echo, otherwise it will display sorry. Let's check the output. Enter age is 18. Aadhaar card is available, yes. It is showing allowed. Let's run again. Enter age is 20 and Aadhaar card available, no. It is showing sorry. Okay. Operator works. In logical or what happens if in logical or what happens if the result of any one condition is true, then it will return true, otherwise it will gives us false. Now, in XOR, in such kind of application where we want ki only one condition has to be true, not both, then we can go with the XOR. Now, suppose first number is taken from user, second number is taken, and if I am checking, I am allowing whether any of the condition of this true has to be true, not both. It means x is equal to 10. If it is correct, then valid, but if both are true, then it should not give us chance. Now suppose enter first number I am giving 10 and second number I am giving 20. Now both conditions are giving result as a true, but XOR will return false if both the conditions result is true. XOR will return true only if any one of condition is true. Let's check out. Right, this way. Okay, moving forward, string operators. In PHP, we have two string operators. One is concatenation, that is dot, and second one is concatenation dot equal to means concatenation and assignment. Now, if we have many of the times when we create a login to when we want to create an account to any email id, it asks us for the first name, last name, date of birth, and then it is recommending us to for the possible usernames that we can use while we can log in. Now suppose if I how that system is recommending us the name by giving the permutation combination of our first name, last name, birth date, birth year, likewise. Now suppose I have read first name and last name from user. Now I want to join and give the recommendation username, so I can concatenate these two variables. So recommended user name is equal to, and then I want to print the value of $x concatenated or merged with $y, that is it will return without space. For example, first name is Preeti, second name is Kudar. Now the recommended username is Preeti Kudar, that is without space. And same, dollar x dot equal to dollar y. The second string is appended to the first string and output will be same. It is the second string will get added to the first string. These are the string operators in PHP. Now, additional category in PHP, that is PHP array operator. We know that array is a data structure which stores element at sequential memory location. Arrays are basically used for searching, sorting applications. In many of the programming languages, we have functions, or sometimes we need to write a complicated code for searching, sorting, inserting element, deleting element, checking or comparing two arrays, etc. But in PHP, we have a list of array operators. First operator is plus, that is union, which is used to join the two arrays. Equality operator, it will check whether the elements or values of both arrays are same. Identity operator means triple equal to, it will return true if the value of both the array is same as well as their data type is same. Not equal to will check whether the elements of both array are same or not. And alternate operator for the same is less than, greater than, that is inequality operator. It means either you can use exclamatory equal to, or you can use less than, greater than symbol. Non-identity operator means it will check whether x is not equal to y, and x and y are arrays. Let's see the example of array. First of all, we will try to understand how we can create array in PHP. Now, array is again a one variable. It is created with the array function. Whatever are your value, just separate it by commas. And if you want to display the array, we can have var underscore dump function, give the name of array. Now, how this displays the output? It shows that array is having three elements. At zeroth index, we have element, that is 10, and its data type is integer. At first index of array, we have element 20 with data type integer, and second position is having 30 with data type int. And this has happened with the var underscore dump function because it displays the value as well as its data type. Now, there is one more functionality in array. We can have print underscore r function, which displays the information of array as it is. For example, if I have created array with month name with January, February, March, and if I write print underscore r dollar month instead of var underscore dump, it will just give me the array 0 index January, 1 index February, second index March. It means it is just avoiding the printing of data type that is we have seen in var underscore dump. Now we will see the identical operator of PHP. If I want to check whether both arrays are same or not, and their data type is same or not, we can do that by using identical operator. For example, if I have array 1 having apple and banana as value into it, array 2 with having value banana and apple in it. Now if I want to check both arrays for their data, I mean values, and their data type. So I am comparing that with the identical operator. If you want to check for values only, then we can go with the equality operator. For identical, we can go with the triple equal to. In conditional statement, it is check for the identity of both operator, and if it is same, it will display arrays are equal, else arrays are not equal. Here output is arrays are not equal, because even though their data type is same string, but the values at the index positions are different. Here is apple, here is banana, so it is making a change. If we make both the arrays equal with the value, now the output will be arrays are equal. Now the values at every index position is same and their data type is same. Now, not equal to operator, it will give the same output whether elements of both arrays are not equal. Now, conditional assignment operator. We know the conditional or ternary statement, that is question mark and colon. It is used in place of simple if else where we want to check the condition. For checking the three number, we generally write, sorry, for checking the largest of two number, we write the variable and we check the condition with if else, which takes four lines, but we can reduce that code by using conditional operator. For example, I am reading one input from user, that is enter first number, then enter second number which is in B, and now I want to check the largest of these two number by using if else. We write like this: if A is greater than B, then we print largest is equal to dollar $A, else largest will be B. So this if line is taking four line of code, and then we can see the largest of two number. Sorry, I have not changed variable over here. So if first number is 5, second number is 8, largest is 8. Okay. Now this four line of if else can be reduced to one or two line by using conditional operator. For example, dollar max is equal to, answer is equal to condition dollar a is greater than dollar b question mark, this is condition, and if the result of this condition is true, what statement we want to execute? I want to assign value of dollar a to dollar max. If the result of this condition is false, then I want to assign value of dollar b into dollar max. So syntax is condition question mark true statement colon false statement, and now we can print largest is equal to dollar max. Dollar max, enter first number 56, enter second number 34, largest is 56. This is conditional operator. Now one more conditional operator is double question mark. This is known as a null coalescing operator. Sometimes we want, if there is variable and if I have not assigned value to it, then it should print null instead of any garbage value. And if that variable is having value, it should print the value. See the code over here. Now here I have given value to variable a as 5. Now, when I print echo dollar $a, obviously it will print the value of a as a 5, correct? But when I have not initialized any value to the variable, then instead of any random garbage value or empty string, it should print null for the a. So it is printing null. So that can be done by this null coalescing operator. Syntax is either variable name, double question mark, and null. So these were the operators in PHP. Hope you have liked it. We will see the next topic of PHP in the next session. Till the time, bye.